Hey guys, and welcome back to Moto Addictions. In today's video, we are finally gonna start parting out the Big Red. I am so excited for this. Side note, I did start taking out the exhaust. I got all the mounting points off, but I'm having a huge problem with this bracket. So in the video, we start working on it. I'll get it off next video because there's gonna be several episodes throughout this series, I guess, the start of the series of us parting out this Big Red. I'm gonna take off the parts, clean them up, and get them ready to sell on eBay to make a little extra money for the channel. I am just so excited. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. I really hope you guys enjoy my editing and stuff like that. So let's go. guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed that. I had a lot of fun making it. We actually did get a lot done. We got the kickstart completely done. We're finishing up on the tow hitch. We got partial of a foot peg done and stuff like that. Not as much as I wanted, but I had a lot of fun doing it. And there's a reason I'm stopping here is one, I like to keep my videos on the shorter side, so you keep yourself entertained. You can watch the whole video and not watch like a 15-minute video. And two, I like to get a video out once every week, and it's been like 8 days since I posted. So I like to keep you guys entertained, keep a consistent posting and all that stuff. So if you guys like this video, and please drop a like on it if you guys really did like it, because I really enjoyed making it. I would love to make more. Comment what you thought below. So please consider subscribing. It means the world to me. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.